everyone, so very welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the day number 8 of daily uploading coding. So with Jaya Insights, and in today's video we are going to understand the conditional statements in Java. So we are having the question 5s. Okay, we are having 5 questions in today's video that we are going to demonstrate. Okay, so let me do this part and we are going to understand the demonstration of if statement. This is the question number 1. So let's do the demonstration on Visual Studio. Okay, just a second. Okay, so I have opened this Visual Studio and let me open a file, new text file. Okay, and first of all let me save it. So let me save it by the name conditions and the Java. So in this we are going to understand the conditional statements. So first of all we are doing the implementation part of if statements. So let me, okay, I have copied that part. So demonstration of if statement. So first of all we need to import import java.util star and the statement terminator. Now we have initialized the class public class as the name as I saved the file as it is by the name of conditions. Okay, and in this okay, this has to be this type. Okay, so the public statement static void. Okay, here we have done. Now we have to take the scanner class for taking the input. Scanner sc, this is the object of a scanner class, and the new scanner, just a second, scanner, and the input stream which is the system.in. This is the standard input stream, right? So we have done this part, and now we are taking the if statement here. So int x equals to 80, statement terminator, int z equals to 40, statement terminator, and now we apply the if statement. Okay, now we apply the if condition here, which is if x is greater than z, then curly braces, then it will print system dot out print ln, which is x is greater than z. Okay, now we apply the statement terminator here. Now let me run this program. So इस प्रोग्राम में हमने बेसिकली क्या किया है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने इंपोर्ट किया java.util पैकेज बेसिकली, जिससे कि हम क्या कर सकें, इनपुट ले सकें यूज़र से, ओके, थ्रू स्कैनर क्लास. देन हमने पब्लिक क्लास लिया, जिस फाइल जो भी हमने फाइल ली, जो हमने सेव की जिस नेम से, वही हमारा क्लास होगा. Okay, so class name would be conditions as then I have saved the file. Now we have taken the scanner class, or I have initialized the object, and then after this we have taken two values, that is x equals to 80 and z equals to 40, and I am applying the if condition here. In this condition I check whether x is greater than z or not. Okay, सो अगर x बड़ा होगा z से तो ये क्या प्रिंट कर दे, x इज ग्रेटर देन z. So let me run this program first. Okay, so let me open the terminal first. So here can you see the result, x is greater than z. This condition is true. Now let me comment out this. Okay, so now in this we are going to understand this part first. Question number second, which is the using conditional statement, write a program to check whether a person is adult or not. So let me paste it here. Everything is same. Import java.util.star statement terminator again, then the public class conditions, right? And here we take the public static void. Now in this we have to take the scanner and its object sc equals to new scanner and the input stream, the system dot in, right? So after this we initialize the age. Okay, so for checking a person is adult or not, we have to initialize the age कि किस एज के बाद हमें ये कंडीशन लगानी है, राइट? तो हमें कैसे पता चलता है कोई भी पर्सन एडल्ट है या नहीं? इफ द एज इज ग्रेटर देन 80, राइट? ओके, फर्स्ट लेट मी डू द sc.next int for initializing the age, okay, to take the input from the user in the integer type. Now if age greater than equals to 18, right, then it will print system dot out dot println, which is person is adult. Okay, now we apply the else condition here. Else again presses, अगर वो नहीं है इस कंडीशन में तो हमें क्या प्रिंट कर दे वो, सी बी, person is not adult. Okay, so let me run this program again. Control F5. Now it will ask for the age, right? So let me put the age here, or let me type the age. Like for example, if I put 45, then see the person is adult, right? So can you see the changes? I have taken the if else condition. Now let me make some changes here. First let me comment out this. सबसे पहले मैं इसे कमेंट आउट कर देती हूँ. कमेंट आउट करने के बाद इसे मैं चेक करती हूँ. ओके, सो कॉपी किया एंड हेयर आई हैव पेस्टेड. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 क्या है हमारा, लेट मी चेक इट फर्स्ट. यूजिंग कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट राइट a program to check whether a person is eligible for marriage or not. So okay, eligible for marriage or not, eligible for marriage or not, right? Now I have copied this program. Okay, so the condition is little bit different here. So according to the सुप्रीम कोर्ट और अकॉर्डिंग टू द फंडामेंटल राइट्स क्या है कि 21 की एज के बाद कोई भी पर्सन एलिजिबल होता है ए मैरिज के लिए। तो हमें यहाँ पर 21 डालना है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड पर्सन इज एलिजिबल फॉर मैरिज। It is quite simple as anything, right? Let me save it from here. Let me copy. Is not, यहाँ पर हम not लगा देंगे. Okay, so this is the condition. Okay, let me run this program again. Control F5 and अब हमें क्या करना है, इसमें इनपुट डालना है। जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने डाला है यहाँ पर नॉट 12, आई हैव एंटर 12, so the person is not eligible for marriage, right? So it is as simple as anything. So let me put okay, so question number 4 क्या है हमारा, यूजिंग कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट क्या करना है, हमें इवन और ऑड का पता लगाना है। So what we are going to do is, oh sorry, that is open here. Okay, so next thing we are going to understand, let me save it from here. Everything I am doing which is quite transparent, so you can easily understand that what is going behind the code, right? So in this we are going to check the program to check whether a number is even or odd. So इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, if just a second, integer number, okay, यहाँ हमने नंबर एंटर किया एंड यहाँ पर हम थोड़ा सा चेंजेस करेंगे कंडीशन में। ओके, नंबर मॉड्यूलो सो कोई भी नंबर अगर हमारा 2 से डिविजिबल है तो कैसे पता लगाएंगे, इफ मॉड्यूलो 2 इक्वल्स टू 0, देन ये क्या प्रिंट कर दे, द नंबर इज इवन, नंबर इज इवन। एल्स अगर ये कंडीशन नहीं ट्रू है तो ये क्या प्रिंट कर दे, नंबर इज ऑड, नंबर इज ऑड। ओके, दिस इज द कंडीशन ना, लाइक अगर कोई भी नंबर हमने दिया 6, अगर वो 2 से डिविजिबल है, अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है तो हम पता लगा सकते हैं दैट द नंबर इज इवन और ऑड, राइट? So that is the thing, that is the logic we have applied in the programming, right? So we run this program, control F5, and we enter the name number here. Like for example, if I do 56, the number is even. So it is quite simple. And the question number 5, that is, it's your homework. Okay, so using conditional statement, write a program to check whether a person is eligible for voting or not. So this is the program that is your homework for tomorrow. So thank you for watching this video and bye bye.